Our students have been preparing for this fundraising event for the semester long, and we have been working closely with Gloria Research Foundation for Breast Cancer to have this fundraising event. And as part of this event, students are going to auction off the photographs that they have been making, and they also will auction off. They also will sell the magazine that they have been preparing for this semester for this event.
It has material from the students, their reflections, and what they learned in the course, how the course changed them, how the relationship with the Gemma Foundation transformed them. There's also material coming directly from the foundation, survivors. There are articles written by people whose loved ones passed away. So it is a mixed bag, but it is all related to specifically breast cancer and how it affects people in a variety of ways.
The organization is the Gloria Breast Cancer Resource Foundation. It was established in 2004 in memory of my mom, who lost her battle to breast cancer in 2002. We are an organization that provides education, awareness, and resource in the local community.
Meeting these women that have survived breast cancer has just been, before now, to go through something in life that's so heart-wrenching, it's just destructive. Like, how do they come out the other side? And meeting these women and talking with them, it was kind of a realization for me. It was kind of just like, these women are, the way that they present themselves, they're just so empowered after being through what they've been through. It was amazing to me, and I think that amazement will last with me. That's what I think I've drawn from this course.
They have photographed with a theme of 1 out of 6. 1 is 6, because that's the number of people who are impacted by breast cancer in the state of Rhode Island. Some of the photographs are taken of objects that would signify that number, 1 in 6. They look visually very, very different, but they are all coherent. And they are all they are apparent with the theme of the project, which is 1 in 6. This is a kind of course that cannot be found elsewhere. But early on, they found their roles and they detected their abilities and what they could do individually and as a team. By now, by the end, every students were doing everything pretty much. So it is much of an engaging experience for both of the students, for both sides.